Have you ever wished that your commute to work was just 12 steps? Well, this HC1 zoned property in Chatham comes with its own heated and cooled shop. Live where you work or rent it out, help pay the bills. Come on, let's check it out. I'm Linda Hacker with Jump Realty. Welcome to 357 Park Ave West, a true live-work opportunity. Inside, an updated kitchen with quartz, countertops, living and dining room, a handy bedroom or a den, and a 3-piece bath on the main. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms and a second bathroom. There's a full basement for storage, a gym, or even hobbies. Here's the star, the on-site shop, heated and cooled, with its own new furnace and AC in 2024, a new 110 amp panel, and a compressor. There's also a side yard parking, which makes clients' visits easy. HC1 zoning buys you flexibility. Live and work on site, or lease the shop for an extra income stream. Out back, a treed lot, privacy now, and an oasis later. For makers, pros, and craftsmen, this heated and cooled shop plus the HC1 zoning gives you options. You bring your craft, the address, it gives you options.